Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Brio Direct. I've been using Brio Direct for a while now, and I've had some good experiences with it. But I've also had some bad experiences. So, in this video, I'm going to give you my honest opinion on Brio Direct. What is Brio Direct? Brio Direct is a company that offers a variety of financial services, including credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans. They are a relatively new company, but they have already gained a lot of traction. What are the pros of Brio Direct? Low interest rates. Brio Direct offers some of the lowest interest rates on credit cards and personal loans. No annual fee. Most Brio Direct credit cards have no annual fee. Good customer service. Brio Direct has a good reputation for customer service. Flexible repayment options. Brio Direct offers a variety of repayment options for their credit cards and personal loans. What are the cons of Brio Direct? Limited availability. Brio Direct is not available in all states. Strict eligibility requirements. Brio Direct has strict eligibility requirements for their credit cards and personal loans. High fees. Brio Direct charges some high fees, such as late fees and overdraft fees. Poor customer reviews. Brio Direct has a lot of negative reviews online. Is Brio Direct good? Overall, I think Brio Direct is a mixed bag. On the one hand, they offer some great benefits, such as low interest rates and no annual fees. On the other hand, they have some drawbacks, such as limited availability and high fees. If you are considering getting a credit card or personal loan from Brio Direct, I recommend that you do your research and compare their offers to other lenders. You should also read online reviews of Brio Direct before making a decision. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video has helped you to decide whether or not Brio Direct is a good option for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.